Hi friends, this is Carly at Crafting with Class, and today I wanted to show you how I made this diagonal double pocket card, and it has two pockets, and the inside has a place for your sentiment. So on my card I made two tags, but you can put gift cards or money or a note, whatever you want to tuck in these little pockets. So there's this way, and there's also another variation on this that I'll show you later on in this video. So let's get started. Here's what you're going to need. Okay, so you want to start with 8.5 by 11 sheet of pattern paper, and it's best if it's double-sided because you're going to be seeing both sides. So beginning with the 8.5 inch side, you're going to find your middle point, which is 4 1/4, and you're going to go ahead and score that down, and then turn your paper so that you have the 11 inch side at the top. Find your middle point, which is 5.5 inches, and you're going to score down that one. Then you're going to take your paper and turn it again so that you have the 8.5 inch side at the top. You're going to go to your left hand side. You're going to find your middle score line here, and you're going to take your scissors and you're going to go ahead and cut until you get to that point of intersection right here, and I've already done that. Alright, so then you go to your bottom right hand corner, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to fold it so that this edge of your paper lines up with your score mark down the middle of your paper. And then so you want to go ahead and fold down like that, and then you're going to go up to the top left corner, and you're going to go ahead and just fold. I just eyeball it. I don't really measure it. You just want to leave like an inch, inch and a half away from that middle score line. Okay, so then all you need to do is just fold it like this, and then this creates your front pocket. And then take, and with this bottom piece here, you're going to just flip it up, and that creates your second pocket right here. And all you need to do is flip this toward the back, and that creates your card base. And that's it. All done. Easy peasy. So all you need to do is add a little adhesive to the edges right here so that is adhered down, and you're all done. Now you can just add your tags or whatever you want to your pockets, embellish however you like, and you're done. So let me show you the second way to make this card. Okay, so to make the second kind, you're going to need the same thing, 8.5 by 11 sheet of double-sided pattern paper, and you're going to do the very same thing. So you're going to, along the 8.5 side, you're going to score in the middle, so 4 1/4, and you're going to flip it. And then on the 11 inch side, you're going to score down the middle at 5.5, then flip it back so you have the 8.5 at the top, and along your middle score line, you're going to cut with your scissors up to that middle point, just like we did before. Okay, so we're going to continue with the same steps. Take your right corner, and you're going to fold it toward the middle, and then take your left corner and fold it just a tad, about an inch and a half away from that middle score line. And now this is where things change. So okay, so the next step would be to take this piece, bring it over, and that creates your first pocket here. Then you take this bottom piece and you're going to flip it behind, and then you're going to take this piece right here and you're going to bring it forward, and you fold that well, and then all you need to do is just flip it up like that, and that's it. You have your card. And so you have your two pockets right here, and you'll need to add adhesive on this side and on this side, and that's it. So you can choose to do this way, the single layer, or not single layer, but the single card, or you can do this one, which was the one that was the one with the inside panel. So I thank you for watching my first video tutorial. So please be kind in your comments today, and I know I have a long ways to go, but I promise I will practice and get better at this. Okay, so thanks for peeking, and I'm so glad you stopped by. Gotta go.